Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, you guys, I'll be showing you how to revitalize that old frontal. If you have not already seen the video to this frontal that I have here, I'm just showing you the cap that I'm going to use. But the frontal that I'm using here is from AliExpress that I ordered a long time ago. I will place the link to that video in the description bar down below. But as you can see, honey, this frontal was not the business. Number one, it was not long enough, not wide enough. It was just not what's up. And as you can see, it was balding. Y'all, this frontal was not good, period. Okay, period. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it and I'm going to cut the wings off of it. You do want to actually measure this to make sure that it's accurate to fit your head. I'm pretty much going to make it kind of like a 5x5 closure. So this is the frontal. As you can see, it's 13 inches long. It was not 4 inches wide. It was probably 3.25 maybe. But I'm going to shorten that down, maybe taking 2 inches off the side so that I'm going to make it a little bit shorter, kind of a closure a little bit, you know. So I'll just let you keep watching until I get ready to sew that baby down. Okay, you guys, I'm back. I'm now going to sew that frontal, or actually it's a closure. Now I'm going to go ahead and sew that down. Excuse these ashy hands, honey. I did not put lotion on that day. But you're just going to sew that not all the way across, but you're going to sew that to the middle portion of your head as if it was on your head. So I'll just let you keep watching so you can see what I'm talking about. Okay, you guys, so right here is pretty much where you're gonna stop, or just the crown portion of your head. You're gonna tie that off. Excuse, this head was not acting right, honey. Girl, get your head right, get your hair right. So you want to tie that off in the middle section, crown area of your head, and then you're gonna go to the opposite side and then sew that down and match in the middle before you continue to sew those wefts down. So just keep watching. Okay, you guys, I am showing you now the spots that are bald, honey, and your girl can't walk around with bald spots, so we gonna fix that. As you can see, look at that. What frontal does that though, you know? But you get what you pay for, right? You get what you pay for. So you guys just watch how I fix this and revitalize it, and you can do the same too, honey. Okay, you guys, so now you're gonna take the piece that you want to sew and onto that hole that you got there, and I already cut the piece out pretty much in the shape that it was. It has the space, and I'm gonna go ahead and only for the sake of this video, I'm sewing on top of the frontal slash closure. However, if you're doing this and you're going out in public and you don't want that string to show, you're gonna sew underneath this particular cap. You're gonna sew underneath it so that you don't see that string. As you can, if you remember in the beginning of the video, you saw black string underneath the frontal. That's because I sewed underneath it so you wouldn't be able to see that string. But for the sake of this video, I'm sewing on top. You're still not gonna be able to see it, so just stay tuned and keep watching. I'm gonna show you. And there you have it, honey. We have fixed that lace, honey, snatched. But wait till you see the outlook though. Honey, what a ball spot. Wet ball spot. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share it with a friend and send it out, honey. Beauty bundles.